Hi, welcome back. You're with the Online Radio Training School, and this is video 18 in our series on how to set up your own internet radio station. In this video, I want to look at how to stream your station on Tunein Radio, which is a radio directory site. The idea is that you broadcast to a player on their site in addition to your own radio station website or mobile app. This simply means more listeners for your station. To start with, let's look at what you need to have before you approach Tunein. Firstly, this is very important, you need to be already streaming your radio station on the internet. Then, you'll need a radio station logo image. For Tunein, we recommend the settings of 512 by 512 pixels. We don't recommend a white logo because the Tunein background is also white. And very importantly, we need to make sure all our audio has correct metadata. Now refer back to video 9 if you need any more information about this. Now, head along to tunein.com and apply to set up a station. Here's how. At the bottom of the page, click on Broadcasters. Click on Add a Station. Go ahead and fill out the form. If you're not sure what something means, click on the field and a very helpful information box will appear. Now, stream URL. This is where we type the information we talked about back in video 16. So, http://URL or IP address, port number, followed by /mount point, or stream ID if it's shoutcast. Back in video 8, we talked about multiple streams for people with different internet needs or listening devices. You can broadcast 2 streams through Tunein. Just click Add Another Stream and add the URL for the second stream. Be sure you fill in the format field. For Tunein, they use the word format to mean genre. So, if you are a station that specializes in playing, say, music from the 1960s, you might put oldies, 60s, and the Beatles as your 3 format fields. In our case, for our station, Jazz Cafe, we put smooth jazz, jazz, and R&B. Many listeners search for a station by genre, so be as accurate as you can when filling this out. And same for the description field. This will appear on your station player page, so make sure that it accurately reflects your station and what you offer. Go ahead and finish filling in all the fields. Okay, so read the fine print and sign me up. Whew, that's a lot. Why don't we take a break? That's better. Now, there's some technical stuff we need to take care of. We need to enable our broadcast computer and Tunein to be able to talk to each other, so that Tunein will display the all-important song information. Okay, I'm going to be boring and say it all over again. That's why it is essential to have the metadata filled in on all the audio files in your computer. Now, usually the metadata is sent inside the audio stream. However, Tunein likes to receive it separately. So here's how to set up Tunein to receive your metadata. Firstly, you'll need an API key. You can get this by emailing Tunein at this email address. We recommend that you don't apply for your API key until you have been successfully broadcasting on Tunein for at least 48 hours. It may take for up to 5 days for Tunein to get back to you with the API key. They will send you 3 things: a station ID, a partner ID, and a partner key. They may look similar to the ones you see here. Now, before you input these into the automation software on your computer, you will need to insert each of these into code that has been written specifically for your brand of automation software. To access this code and the instructions on how to type it in, go to Tunein, Broadcasters, Air API, and Learn More. And find the link for your brand of automation software. In this video, we're going to set up the Radio Boss automation system, so I will click here. Now, here's how we do it. You need to use Notepad or a text editor to assemble the full code. Copy your partner ID and place it where the X's are in this code. Make sure you leave the ampersand symbol. Then, copy your partner key and place it where the Y's are in the code. Again, do not delete the ampersand symbol. And then, take your station ID and place it where the Z's are in the code. When you have completed your code, copy and paste it into your radio automation software. Here with Radio Boss, it's in Settings, Reports, and under the heading HTTP GET Request. To add the code, I hit the plus key and paste it in the URL field. And then tick Enable Notifications. At the start of the next song, the changes should take effect, and you should be seeing artist and title information on your TuneIn player. If you're using Radio Boss, look to see if there are any errors in the log on the left of the screen. Well, thanks for staying with us. If you missed anything, just use the scrubber at the bottom of the video screen. And don't forget, you can contact us, info@onlineradiotraining.com. In our next video, we'll learn about how to broadcast using the AIO Internet Radio Player. Till then, happy broadcasting.